Hello and welcome to Apps Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap data and products from eBay and import them into any platform like Shopify, WooCommerce or Amazon or anywhere. I will just show you how you can get the data from eBay into a CSV and then you can use that CSV to upload to any platform. So this is the page where you can scrap the eBay data using a Google Chrome extension called SAWD eBay scrapper. So this is the URL of the website scrapannywebsitedata.com slash scrap dash eBay dash products. I'll provide this link into the video description as well. Okay, first of all, you open this page, install that Chrome extension, and then open this page, and you will see these fields for URL, get product URL, and then get single product URL. Okay, first of all, go to ebay.com and search for anything you want to scrap from, and you will have a list of the products on eBay. Let's go to that eBay page first, and in the search type your required products. Like I want Sony XR 150 handycam. Search for that. Okay, I have these products. I want to scrap them into a CSV. So let's copy this URL and go to the scrapper page and paste that URL here. Now let's get product URLs, which will get all single product URL into this field, and this will take a couple of seconds. And we have 60 unique product URLs. Let me remove some of them because I'm just showing you how to scrap these products. So click on start scrap and it will now start crawling all the product pages one by one and get that data into the page where I just showed you. That's the second product, the third product, and finally the fourth product. Okay, go to the scrapper page again and scroll down. We have all these four products listed here. Let's click on generate CSV and click on get CSV. Now the CSV is ready for you to download. Let's save it and open it. And we have the SKU, the title, we have the short description in HTML format, we have the image URL, we have description, we have price, and we have the original eBay item URL as well. So that is how you can scrap data from eBay and get into any of these platforms like WooCommerce, Amazon, or eBay itself, or Shopify. So I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.